In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Wix Forms. Now, every website needs a contact form, most at least. So if you want to create a contact form on your website, let's see which members or site visitors can use to contact you or to submit some information, then you need to add a form. On this website, by default, we do not have a form. But if I wanted to add a form here, I'll just come, first of all, what I want to do is I want to add a new section. I could add a new section here. And in this section, I want to add an element. So you have elements here. I could just click here on this button, which you see add element, and I'm going to go to contact and forms. And then if you see, we have different kinds of forms here. You can create one from scratch. You can edit and reuse an existing one. And then you have contact forms. You have order forms, you have registration forms, you have application forms. Let's just say I want to add a contact form like this particular one. I'll just click on it. And when I click on it, it's going to be added to this section. It's loading. Now you have the form here. You can go ahead and edit this form. Just click on edit form. And once it loads, you can edit a lot of stuff on this form. You can change some stuff. You can tweak some stuff on this form. So this is a form, and you can change stuff here. You can change the first name. You can change the last name. You can also add other fields. You can make this field, let's say, to be half of this entire section. You can add something like phone so that people can add their phone numbers. So this is it. And you can drag it and put it on the side here. So that is it. And you can also add multi-line address like this, multi-line address. So where they're going to put all of these, and you can draw it, drag it, and put it in front of here. And then this is the message, write a message. Now just click on. You can add some fields to be required. Say, for example, this particular one, if you come to settings, you click on the settings, it's supposed to give you, you can make it to be required. So I've made it required. And the last name too, you can also make it to be required. You can add some placeholder text. Email, you can also make it to be required. You can add some placeholder text. And then when you are done, make sure to save this. You save that. And if you close this box, you can see on the front end, it doesn't show yet. Save this. And when you preview these, you are going to see all the changes. Now you're already beginning to see the changes. I'll click on done. You're already beginning to see the changes. These are all the changes which you have made. Now you can also do some design customizations here from the front end, but that's not my focus. You can change the background and give it maybe a kind of color, kind of background color like this for this entire section though. So you see the form is more pronounced right now. So this is how to work with forms in Wix. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.